Okay, we're in my new apartment. I'm going to unbox my Casper. I'm not sure how it's gonna go. It's in this enormous box. Good night. Oh, personal note from Kimberly. Thank you, Kimberly. Casper, setting up your Casper. Your Casper's arrived. Make sure you unpack your Casper in the room it belongs. That's where we are. Use the handy sharp and steady blade to unbind your Casper. Start on the dot. Okay, well, so this is kind of scary. It's a blade. All right, let's do this. There you go. You can sort of see. See how it's folded in here? So you can, like, this is the center of the fold. All right. Now, so this is the Tyvek outer. I guess we just have to make sure to only cut that when I use my sharp and steady, which is still kind of scaring me. Oh, it has a magnet. You can keep this on your fridge. Not really grasping how to use it. I feel it expanding. Oh, this is kind of cool. Okay, it's like slowly expanding. And when I open this, I think it's just gonna flop back. Oh man. Feels pretty springy. Kind of sinks over here when you sit on it. Ooh. Yeah, I could be into this. I'm digging it.